Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera. In this video, we will focus on specific characteristics of diode, thyristor, and transistors. We will start our discussion with the simplest power switches, which are diodes. Unlike other power switches covered in this topic, diodes are uncontrollable devices. Thus, we cannot control their operation. A diode will switch from off state to on state and vice versa depends on the nature of the current flow in electrical circuits. If the current flows toward the anode terminal, the diode is in forward bias and it will turn on. According to the VI characteristic curve, in this condition, the diode can conduct high current from anode to cathode with a small voltage drop. However, when the current flows toward the cathode terminal, the diode is in reverse bias and it will turn off. From the curve, we can see that the diode in this condition will block very high voltage with small leakage current. This characteristic is valid as long as the block voltage does not exceed the reverse breakdown voltage level. These figures show the transient characteristics of diodes. It is referring to a condition when the diodes are switching from on state to off state. When the diodes turn off, the current conducted by the diode decreases until negative values before it becomes zero. The time taken for the current to reach zero is called reverse recovery time or TRR. Based on TRR, there are soft recovery and abrupt recovery. Based on the reverse recovery time, there are several types of diodes. Please check this table. The second power switch is thyristors. As we can see at the symbol, the only difference between thyristors and diodes is the gate terminal. This terminal is important because thyristors are controllable devices. When current flows to the anode terminal, a thyristor is ready to work under forward bias. It can happen when we supply gate or control signal to the gate terminal. The type of the gate signal is a current signal. According to the VI characteristic curve, by applying the gate signal, a thyristor can conduct large current with a small voltage drop. Nevertheless, when the current flows to the cathode terminal, the thyristor works under reverse bias and as a result, it will block high voltage with small leakage current. Next, I will use a simple circuit and output voltage and output current waveforms to demonstrate the operation of a thyristor. To show the difference between the thyristor and a diode, I will start the demonstration with the diode operation. Keep in mind, this demonstration involves ideal power switches only. Hence, there is no leakage current during the off state and no voltage drop during the on state.